Hello everyone. Let's introduce MKE XJ-6 cell smear centrifuge for you. This machine is mainly used for cervical cell thin section preparation, thin section of pleural fluid cells, cerebrospinal fluid cell thin section preparation. First, turn on the rear power cord. Press the red switch on the right side. The screen lights up. The device enters the power on state. Next, take a look at its operation panel. The left side is the rotational speed. On the right is the centrifugal time. Decrease downward and increase upward at the bottom. Pressing the changeover button displays the centrifugal force. The force is also increased by decreasing downward and increasing upward. Next is the centrifugal time. This is also increased and decreased by these two buttons. When the number is no longer flashing, the parameters you have set are saved by default. Then press the start button to run. Press the red stop button to open the door. The door cover pops up. The machine is equipped with a horizontal rotor 12 slide holder. Push the slide into the holder. Tighten the sinker clockwise. Finally, put the filter into the sinker. Our sample slide is placed in the center of our clamp. After placing our sample slide in the center of our clamps, we place it in the opposite direction, so that it is leveled horizontally. Place the slide symmetrically in our clamps. Put the lid on the door. Then we run it again. Transparent door cover. Visualization of the run. 12 specimens in 5 minutes. Simple and easy to operate.